They're amazing. So guys, I woke up 6 in the morning and look at how the waves are. And you can hear the sea. Seas roar. Let's see. And well, I'll make this jealous. It's so fun. It's me and the sea walking. Me and the sea walking. Me and the sea walking. I just made up a little song. I swam yesterday and that was like, wow! Oops. That's fun! Just waves come and just hit my leg and that feels so good. There are like awesome waves behind me. Awesome, I tell you. Woo! That's like a big layer! So guys, apparently the sun has rose behind me. Where is it? Okay, let's find the sun on the camera. I can't see it. Oh yeah, there we go. Found the sun on the camera. There must be a treasure out here. For perfect seashore, which is now about a big drag. Oh, that could be the perfect seashore. A face. Puppy face. I want to be a hunter. Seashell, okay. Oh, a seashell. It's a perfect to find seashell too. And I got it before the water got. Yay! Guys, I found 2 jellyfishes. You want to see them? Oh, of course you want to see them. They're jellyfishes. See? You better not touch them. Wow, and it's a colorful seashell. I think it's from the pole. The sandpaper over here is cold. Ouch. That hurts me. Ah, ka-ching. I got that seashell. I know. I'm so scared to here. She was back. You know you slept with me last night? Yeah. And look what I found. Oh guys, and my brother just woke up also. I woke up at 6 which time did you wake up? Don't you want to come on the camera? You always come on the camera with me. I'm kicking shows. Why is it so? I'm tired. I want to sit, but I want to. Insect. I saw a shell which had an insect inside of it, and then I saw another shell which had a moving insect inside. So fun. But is this cool like this? Yep. Cool. Yep. There used to be trains over here? Maybe. How do you know they're cool? Because they're black.